Do cats recognize their owner's voice? Wanna know? I'll tell you. But first, if you think this kitten is adorable, like and subscribe. Comment a heart if you love animals. Think your cat ignores you on purpose? You might be right, but not for the reason you think. Studies show cats do recognize their owner's voice. They can tell it apart from strangers. But unlike dogs, cats are less socially dependent, so they don't always respond. They might twitch their ears or blink. That's cat speak for, I hear you? So yes, your cat knows your voice. They just choose to ignore you sometimes.